Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a day-night cycle in Godot. So as you can see, and this is a project we're going to have at the end of this tutorial, and we're currently in the night at the moment. I've got the time going really fast just to demonstrate it. And as you can see, this has got an orange glow like a dusk. So this isn't just a simple go light, go dark. It'll actually take into account dusk and dawn. So let's get into it. So this is the project that you'll have. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a new node. We're going to call this GM for Game Manager. You can name it whatever you want, but that's how I would name it for me. Attach a script. I'm going to make sure that it's in our script folder. GM, open, save. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to this, define some variables, export gradient. So this gradient is actually like, we've used it before. If you've done my tutorial on health bars, it's a way that you can blend colours, so we could have like black to green to orange and it'll blend between them. It's a really handy feature. Bar, day, light, grade, and then gradient, and then we're also going to go already var, oops, let's remove that, already var, light, canvas modulate equals get node root main canvas modulate. So the reason we're getting the canvas modulate is because we're going to be changing the colour of that. So if you do change the colour of the canvas modulate like this, you can see that it affects what we see on screen. And this is basically how we're going to do the day-night cycle. I was originally going to do it like this, but I thought it'd be nice if we just had a bit of colour to it, I think. So let me put that back to how it was. Let's go back to the script. Right, we also want var time equals 0. And then we want to enable this. I want to say time plus equals 0.01. Now that will go really quickly still, so you might want something like this. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to keep it as is. If time is greater than 1, time equals 0. Now you might be thinking, well, why didn't it in ones, like a maximum of 1 and a minimum of 0? Well, in the gradient, let's go back here. This is 1 and that is 0, so you have to go through it really slowly. So we're going to go down here, we're going to say light canvas color equals day light gradient dot in. But it's not doing that. Interpolate time. Save that. Now at the moment this won't do anything because we haven't got a gradient. In fact, I think what would happen is we'd get an error. I won't test that. I'll just put the gradient in here. So what you need to do is click on your game maker, sorry, your game management, your daylight gradient, new gradient, and then put one in. So I'm going to go to my reference project and use theirs. So I want this one to be just normal daylight. I want this one to be like this. I want it to go to black really quickly. I want another one to stay at black because it's really late at night. This one maybe we could have like an orange. Let's move this over here a minute. And one more we could go back to white. And let's just see what this looks like. So we press play. As you can see, it's getting dark, and then it's got like a kind of a purple hue. Then it goes to black, so you can see it's about here now. And then it's going orange. And there you go. It's a really quick tutorial. I hope that you got it. What we'll do is, just for completion's sake, is we'll enable the light to be turned on and off. The flashlight, I mean. So go to your project, in project settings, and we're going to use the F key for flashlight. put that in. Go to your scripts, go to your player, and here I want to say if import.isAction just pressed F. Then we want to say, well actually let's go to the top and we'll go on ready var light equals get node. Where's the light here? It's on the player, so we can say light D like that. Oops. Put that here. Dot visible equals not light dot visible. So I've said this in previous tutorials. When you set something to not a Boolean, then it's the opposite. So if that was true, this would be false. If that was false, this would be true. And as you can see, you can turn it on and off. So you can imagine like a little zombie game, and now you can't see anything. You could have, when you're using your flashlight, you could maybe have the battery run out of power, so you're always trying to like save your power. Anyway, I hope that was easy to follow. Not sure what I'm going to do for my next tutorial, but if you've got any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Take care, bye bye.